In this video, I will teach you how you can debug server-side Node.js code using Visual Studio Code itself. So very often it is requirement for full stack developer to have the ability to debug their server-side code. It will be nice to have some sort of debugging facility. In this video, I will teach you to set up server-side debugging right in the Visual Studio itself. So in Visual Studio Code, on the left hand side, click on the debugger icon. Then notice here Run and Debug button is present. And click on Create a Launch JSON file, and then Visual Studio Code will create a JSON file for you where you can go. And in case you are interested to download the source code, slide and step-by-step guide, then make sure you do subscribe to the Elite or the Pro plan in Full Stack Master. And in order to debug the server-side code, let's click on the debug button and select the server debug option now from here. And you see there is a nice overlays coming where you can have a debug, pause and all of those buttons. See, our code is also getting debugged. So successfully we could debug our server-side code. And this will be very nice for you if you start doing that. In our next video, we will use this debugging technique and fix the Passport local authentication strategy in our Express application in Node.js server-side code. So this will give you a facility to run and debug your server-side code. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh, and I appreciate that you want to learn Mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline, mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solutions. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day, and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there.